How to add photo album on iPhone home screen. So let's start the video. First of all, if you want to add a photo album on your iPhone screen, then simply press and hold on your blank space of your screen and then click on edit. On top left corner you can see the option edit. Now click on it and then click on add widget. After clicking on add widget, then scroll down and find here photos. Now click on photos and here you can select a album of large size, medium and small size. Now select a size and then click on add widget. Now click on it and then click on choose album. Now here you can choose your album. After choose your album, then click on blank space. So this is the way to add photos album on iPhone home screen. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.